So Jacqui, tell me about what's happened today.
So I saw your LinkedIn article on the whole exercise, and
Yes.
it immediately caught my attention. And also because Julie Mason had done it, and she's my coach on LinkedIn. And so I decided to come along with my husband because it's Australia Day, and I thought what an awesome way to celebrate Australia Day is kicking off the year with really unlocking our vision for 2019, and also because my husband George was at a crossroads with his career and his future, so we thought let's do this as a team. So my business is helping business owners and managers release their best potential through their people to get the best results for their businesses and for themselves. And but I've also got a lot of personal goals, and a lot of them around my health and my wellness. And so this was really just to help me really fine-tune that. And I really think I've come up with some really good inspirational ideas and quotes and images that I'm going to focus on. And I had a quick look at my husband's, and his looks very different to mine. It's got chickens and farms and vegetables and herb gardens and hiking, and I've got big red flashy dresses and TED Talk inspirations, and so it will be interesting how the next 30 years of our marriage go when we have completely polar opposite dreams, because we're celebrating our 30th wedding anniversary this year. Yes. So it's been really good, and I'm going to tell a lot of people about it. Thank you.
Good, thank you so much. Do you want to quickly tell me about something on the board that stood out to you?
Yes, for me it is about doing meaningful work. I want to know that what I do matters. I want to know that God's at the center of it. There's a picture of my husband and I sailing into the sunset. I want to do it with my husband. Family and friends are very important to me as a celebration, therefore I've got the champagne. The shoes are because it's all a matter of perspective. People, depending what shoes they're walking in, will see a situation very differently, and always to be mindful of that. And also to forgive myself, because I'm very, very hard on myself and very, very tough on myself. And my red dresses, because I'm on a health kick to lose a lot of weight and get my health right, get rid of my migraines, which are at the top here. So this is the vision of me looking beautiful and fit and healthy and successful and talking at a TED Talk.
Excellent. Well done. Thank you so much, Jacqui.